Ella and I started a film club at Foothills Middle School because we were really interested in making movies and exploring more about film. So we started the club and we taught members how to edit and storyboard and create short films that we entered into contests, and we ended up winning some awards.
We have learned a lot of different things about technology because without us doing film club, we wouldn't have figured out how to use cameras or edit movies or anything like that. And it showed us a lot of different things about technology and how we can use it in our everyday lives. Our world has a lot of technology in it right now, and to be able to know how to use it is really important.
I think the most surprising thing that I learned was that making a movie isn't as easy as it looks. Our storyboards for film club were kind of like the way we dreamed our movie would look. But getting all of that actually into the movie was kind of a problem. Being interested in film for the past 3 years has, I think, really opened up a different aspect of how we can use technology to tell stories or spread messages. I'm interested now in seeing how I can use more different aspects of tech to improve movies. I can't really imagine now, after being in robotics and being in film club, not doing something in the STEM fields.
So it's really important to try and get involved with clubs and to be able to do them, because it's where you're able to figure out what you love to do, and if you don't try them, then you might be missing out on something that you really like to do. And also when you're in middle school and high school, you're kind of thinking about your future a lot. So being in high school and trying out different clubs is important because that may affect what college you go to and what careers you end up doing.
I'm proud that we were able to teach other kids about what we loved doing and how they can use film to create their own stories.